Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best spinning fishing reel. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Placino Fishing Rod and Reel. Combo's carbon fiber telescopic fishing pole, spinning reel 12+1 shielded bearing stainless steel BB. Brand, Placino. Rod length, 8.86 feet. Color, full kit with carrier case. Item weight, 1.2 pounds. Material, carbon fiber fiberglass. Warm prompt, full kit with carrier case include 1 fishing rod plus 1 fishing reel plus fishing line plus various fishing lures plus fishing hooks plus some necessary accessories plus carrier bag. Full kit with carrier case is special made for novice, including necessary accessories for fishing. You can use it without buying any other accessories from anywhere. Placino telescopic fishing rod are constructed with high-density 24-ton carbon fiber reinforced with fiberglass composite for power, elasticity, and durability. The welded stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts for superior casting distance and accuracy while dissipating heat more efficiently, which delivers excellent durability with monofilament, fluorocarbon, and braided lines. The exquisite reel seat is made of corrosion-resistant CNC machined aluminum for a solid base and all-day. A3000 fishing reel with CNC machine cut collapsible handle, left/right interchangeable. The rod import adjustable full metal screw reel seat, 12+1 corrosion resistant smooth ball bearings, line capacity. It's the best gift to send father, husband, fiance, boyfriend for the upcoming Christmas Thanksgiving Day. Number 2. Ghosthorn Fishing Rod and Reel Combo Graphite. Telescoping fishing pole portable travel kit with carrier bag for freshwater saltwater. Brand, Ghosthorn. Rod length, 1.8 meters. Color, full kit with carrier case. Item weight, 1.07 kilograms. Material, graphite. 30-ton graphite telescopic fishing rod. All graphite rod reduces by 20% physical weight to others made from a mix of carbon and fiberglass, which is not only more responsive, but also don't reduce firmness. The ceramic guide ring adopts weaving plus resin technology, which can prevent the guide ring from falling off and prolong the service life. Upgraded carbon fiber drag washers. Regarding the fishing reel, compared to most people using wool felt washers, we upgraded to 3 carbon washers, using one-way no-gap stainless steel bearings and all-metal rocker arms. The powerful drag system offers incredible stopping power up to 34.3 pounds per 15.6 kilograms without sacrificing smoothness. At the same time, we have thickened the throwing ring to enhance the stability of the fishing reel. Whether you are in freshwater or saltwater, you can use this reel. Compact and portable, this telescopic fishing rod collapsed down to just 17-inch long, making it small enough to fit inside most backpacks. Ideal to take hiking and camping to catch bass, crappie, walleye, and trout in lakes and streams. It is also great for vacations near the ocean to catch sharks, tarpons, and salmon. Buying the Ghosthorn fishing kit will give you everything you need to get started. Number 3. Penn Battle Spinning Reel and Fishing Rod Combo. Brand, Penn. Rod length, 9 feet. Color, black. Material, aluminum. Fishing technique, spinning. Kit includes spare anodized aluminum spool and a durable neoprene reel cover. The perfect pairing to go along with this high-performing Penn Battle spinning combo. 5+1 stainless steel bearing system, ideal for conquering big saltwater game fish. With the HT100 carbon fiber drag washers, you can pull in 100 miles of line off the reel with no wear on the washers. Full metal body, side plate, and rotor and heavy-duty aluminum bail wire offer exceptional durability. Dependable graphite composite blank rod design and aluminum oxide guides. Number 4. Penn Battle 4 Spinning Fishing Reel. 2020 iCast Online Best of Category winner saltwater reel. The Penn Battle 3 inshore spinning reel is stronger, smoother, and more durable than ever before. Durable construction. The body and side plates of the Penn Battle 3 spinning reel are made with sturdy all-aluminum composition, featuring a forged-in machined aluminum spool with line capacity rings. CNC gear technology. recovers at the rate of 37 inch 94 centimeters with every turn of the crank. Gear ratio of 6.2 to 1. Equipped with super line spool to securely attach braided line. 6 total bearings. The Battle 3 features 5 stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 instant anti-reverse bearing to provide smooth operation for any saltwater fishing experience. HT100 front drag system, built with carbon fiber washers for a max drag of 15 pounds, 6.8 kilograms. This system will handle large fish without wearing you down. Right/left handle position. Number 5. Ugly Stik Elite Spinning Fishing Rod. Ugly Stik 6 feet 6 inches Elite Spinning Rod, 35% more graphite than the Ugly Stik GX2, plus premium cork handles. From the makers of the #1 rod series in the world. 2-6 lb line rating, ultra light power, medium fast action, built tough to stand up to what's next. Lure rating of 1/32 to 1/8 ounce. 2-piece fishing rod features Ugly Stik clear tip design for strength and sensitivity. Durable construction, constructed from graphite and fiberglass for a lighter weight rod, while maintaining legendary toughness and strength. Ugly Stik fishing rods are covered by a 7-year warranty you won't find anywhere else. 7 durable guides. Ugly Tough 1-piece stainless steel guides provide excellent corrosion resistance and durability and eliminate insert pop-outs during rough treatment. Reel seat. Exposed blank reel seats with cushioned stainless steel hoods provide comfort for your hands and protection for your reel. Premium Type-C cork rod handle is lightweight and slip resistant, so you can hold on when fishing gets tough. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.